is in a point of death. As we are talking now, Madiano is in the hospital. Oh, our own brother, that woman. You know that Madiano? That man like singing every day on our ears, every day on our ears. Oh,
what can I help you?
Is that?
Yes, go. Who is that? Who's that? Don't you know that you don't announce this type of news like this? Oh, yeah. Go.
Let me see what I'm saying. Our brother is dead. There is no rest in perfect peace. Let's not waste time. Imagine a who inherits his beautiful wife? That woman, that God created, that God's creation. Who inherits her?
Okra, I am suspecting you. Our brother just died and you are talking about his wife. Okra, anything.
I am just suggesting. I am a good caring friend. Let's not go into that. Let's go to Mazi. Our brother.
What did I do wrong?
My brothers, we all know that when a man dies an untimely death, his wife here is always a suspect. What? Yes, this woman is lying. You're not saying the truth. Woman, tell us what killed your husband. In the Igbo, as I was saying, let's don't argue about all this. Let's forget. Why the way our late brother was already sick, he's meant to die.
You are saying this too. Don't worry. I'm not here. My people, I believe that mass.
This is an abomination. You must teach your little welcome. That is our culture.
Yes.
What is the problem?
Good morning, sir. I was sent by the Commissioner of Police Officer to protect the sister whose husband was killed.
There's goodness, there's goodness,
There's goodness.
What are you also?
There's goodness.
Okay. You call your brother to come and rescue you. Hey,
You are there.
Look at it. I was helping you, but now I am never helping you. Even on police. You come for me, Popo. You will leave my house very soon.
This game. Pardon this woman. Pardon this woman. Let's not wicked the widow. This game. Oh, bro. I said it. I'm suspecting you. You have a backup plan. Yes. You have a backup plan. Tell us the truth. I am suspecting you, bro. Yeah. Man, look at it. If I have a backup plan, how is that your business? How is that your business?
Okay. I'm a boy. Our wife, what is it again? You say you people come with Iwe. Oh my! What is the problem? What is Iwe? Are we fighting?
What the hell? After all, because I never.
Oh my wife, before we start, we have some conditions to give this woman here. Oh my, I have to here. Oh my, I have to here. She has to cut this her hair with razor blade. Oh my, I have to secondly, she has to marry one of this our man here. She has to marry him. Also, you have to drink the water gushing from your husband's cup. Oh my, you have to
You all know that Nkechi here is trying to hide from our tradition. Am I lying?
Okay, you brought police. You think police to save you? Chimah, you save your husband, right? You must swear. Never! I will never swear!
All these things happen. I'm sorry, sir, but I'm taking orders.
Stop, shut up. Who gave you order? Order. You must swear. You woman, you must swear.
I will never swear! You will swear!
In fact, the Igbo must hear this. The Igbo must hear this. You are to hide away from our tradition.
I'm helping you. That's why.
Let us go to the
You have seen it all. Let us stop the abuse of women. It's a husband burial. And what is enough for the wife? Is that one?
They